Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another Christmas DIY video. And in today's video, I'm going to transform an old t-shirt top that I had into this beautiful cap that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So for this DIY, I'm using this old red top that I had. You can use any kind of red fabric for this. And next I am flipping the top inside out. Then I am taking a piece of white felt sheet of measurements 30 centimeters into 9 centimeters. Here again you can use any white fabric and you can also customize the measurements as per your requirements. And I have actually cut out 2 white felt sheets of the same measurement. I'll keep one aside for now. And next I have to cut out a triangle. So I'm marking the base of the triangle as 28 centimeters. So I'll mark a line for the base. Then I have to mark the height. Now to mark the height, first I'll mark the center point of the base. Since the base is 28 centimeters, the center will be 14 centimeters. So I'll mark a point at 14 centimeters. And then I'll mark a height of 28.5 centimeters. Then I'll mark the ends like this to form a triangle. Next, I'll mark extra 1.5 centimeters around the triangle like this. And then I'm going to cut out the triangle. And following the same process, I have cut out another triangle. Next, I am taking the white felt sheet which I had kept aside earlier and I am folding the edges like this. And then I am using some pins to secure it. Then I am using some needle and thread and I am going to hand sew it. You can sew it with a sewing machine or you can even hot glue it. So this is what it looks like after sewing. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Since both the sides of the red fabric look the same on camera, I'll just put some tape on the wrong side so that it's easier to distinguish, and I'll do the same for the white fabric as well. Next, I'm going to flip the red fabric facing the right side outside, and I'll take the white fabric and place it like this facing the wrong side outside. So the right side of the red fabric is facing outside and the wrong side of the white fabric is facing outside. Then I'll secure these ends with some pins and I'll sew these ends. So after sewing, this is what you will get. And similarly, I have sewn the other piece as well. Now I'll place both the fabrics above each other in a way that the right sides of both the fabrics are together. Like this. And the wrong sides are facing outwards. Then again I'll secure it with the help of some pins. and then I'll sew it. And once that's done, I'll flip the fabric inside out, and here my cap is ready. Now the only thing left is the pom-pom at the top of the cap. So to create that, I'm taking some white wool and wrapping it on my fingers like this. You can easily get this from any shop for like 15-20 rupees. I already had this. Actually, I had all the materials I used for this DIY, so I didn't spend any money on this. Okay, so once I have wrapped the wool like around 100-120 times, then I'm tying up the center like this. And then I'm cutting out the ends and shaping it a bit. Next, I'm taking a comb and I am kind of distressing the wool so that I get something like this. And finally, I'm going to sew it up on the top of the cap. And this is how it looks like. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.